The Ulefone Power Armor 18T versus the Umidigi Bison GT2 Pro. These two rugged phones are among the best rugged phones of all time. So in this video, I'll be comparing these two rugged phones to see which of the two has the best specs. And as a reminder, the Power Armor 18T is launching on the 1st of November, and I think you'll be able to buy it at a very reasonable price then, but it's still going to be a little bit expensive because of the specs that it packs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications, give this video a like, and which of the two devices do you guys think is best? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's find out which of the two devices has the best specs.